Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I have been going through it. I've been dealing with a lot, so I want to share with you guys my experience and what's been happening with me. I've been vlogging it and documenting it, so I want to take you guys along with me and share with you guys my experience and let you know what I've been going through. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, turn your post notifications on, add me on Instagram, add me on TikTok, and let's get into it. And I just want to give a disclaimer that this video is by no means intended to talk about like views on this or give you my views on it, anything political, like none of that. Like I'm not even giving you guys my views on it. This video is not intended to do that. I literally am just telling you about my experience and what I've been dealing with. That's about it. So I just want to make that very clear because I am not one to talk about views, political stuff. That's not me. You feel how you feel, I feel how I feel, and that's what it is. So let me start from the beginning. Before I get into the vlog, I want to like explain to you guys how this all started and why I even started vlogging it. So basically what happened was I was working from home one day and I noticed that like while I was on camera, I kept sneezing, I kept like blowing my nose, and I was like, what's going on? Like I feel fine, but my nose is running, I keep sneezing, and I was like, this is definitely a cold. So by the time I finished work, I was like, you know what, let me take a test because I'm so cautious. And I was like, I have work tomorrow. I don't want to go into work if I don't know what this is, whether it's a cold or whether it's a C word. So I was like, let me just be 100% sure. So I instantly go online and I like look for tests so I can book it, and everywhere's booked up. Like the earliest appointment I can get was in 2 days from then. So I booked it already, but I was like, you know what? I need to know right now. Like I need to know right now. I am not waiting. I'm not going to work if I don't know what my answer is. So I took an at-home rapid test. Those tests are so quick, 15 minutes you have a result. So I took my test, and as I'm waiting for the results, I'm literally like chilling. I'm just like chilling at home. I'm just like, it's not gonna be anything. I'm like, I feel fine. Like I feel nothing. I'm like, this is gonna be nothing, but I'm just being cautious here. So 15 minutes later, guys, it shows the positive sign. When I see the positive sign, I'm like, no. I'm like, no way is this happening right now. Like there's no way, like this cannot be it. But they say that the rapid tests are not 100% accurate. Like they're not as accurate as the ones in the clinic. So I had my clinic appointment booked already, but at this point I was like, you know what? I'm not risking it because it's saying positive. So I contacted my work instantly and like I didn't go to work, and I started quarantining at home until my appointment. So that was basically where it's at. I was already freaking out, but that's another story. I was freaking out, and basically now I'm gonna show you guys a vlog. So now we're gonna get into the vlog. I didn't document all of this happening because like I said, I didn't even expect this to be happening. It was literally just something I was doing, going the extra step, but I never thought it was a thing. So I didn't vlog this part, but now we're gonna jump into the vlog and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I went through and what happened and what my end result was. So let's get into it. Fingers crossed it's negative. Let's hope it's negative. All right, so I just finished and my eyes are watering. It actually hurts so much. It hurts so much, but it has been crazy at these clinics to get an appointment. It has been like super, super busy. I was so lucky to get an appointment. So I'm done now. I have to wait 1 to 5 days before I get my results. So in the meantime, I have to quarantine at home and just wait for my results. It sucks because Christmas is in literally a few days, but I gotta do what I gotta do. Have to, you know, just be safe. And like, I don't want to obviously go out in case I do have it. So I'm just gonna wait at home, chill, and see how it goes. Right now, I'm actually gonna go home because I do have to work from home today. I have a virtual seminar that I'm gonna be teaching for the college that I teach. So I'm gonna go home right now, do my makeup, you know, do my makeup because I have nothing on right now, give myself a little glam, and then start working. So I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so as you can see, I am home. I just finished my virtual online session. Like I told you guys, I had an online session today with my students, talking to them about like business coaching as a makeup artist. So that was about 2 hours. I just finished it. After I finished test. I literally got here. I had 30 minutes to get ready, and I feel like I did pretty good. My lash is coming off a little bit, but you know, I feel like I did pretty good. I went with a little bit of like a emerald green smoky eye, and you know, I'm pretty proud of myself for 30 minutes. That's really good. So my session went really well. Absolutely love it. Like, guys, I love teaching. Like, I absolutely love it. It's like my newfound love. Makeup artistry is obviously like my number one. I have tons of like hobbies, guys. I have tons of things I love. I love bottle service. Like, you guys know, bottle girl is like my number one thing. Makeup artistry is also my number one thing, like being a makeup artist, and now teaching. Like, your girl wears many hats. So yeah, I just finished doing that. This is my little setup. Like I said, I do it from home sometimes. So I have like my lights here. I have my laptop here. I have a little tea because your girl's not feeling too good. So I've just been doing it from home. I also teach in person, but right now I'm doing it from home because your girl's a little sick. So that's that. My dogs were actually pretty well behaved. Sometimes, guys, when I tell you, like, they are so loud, they'll start barking, they'll start whining, they'll start crying, like they're doing the most, but they're literally right next to me, and they were angels during the entire 2 hours, which was amazing. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all this makeup off. I'm going to edit a video, clean up a little bit. I have tons of cleaning to do, and wait for my test results and go from there. I'm hoping I will get it in by tomorrow, fingers crossed, but they say 1 to 5 days, so I'm not too sure. I will keep you guys posted. I will let you guys know, and maybe I'll bring you guys along with the journey, let you guys know how I feel. So far right now, what I'm feeling is a stuffy nose and like runny nose and sneezing. Other than that, I don't feel anything yet. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted and bring you guys along. If I do end up having, God forbid I don't, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna have to quarantine literally for 14 days. I've been quarantining already for quite a few days, and I'm going to have to just not spend Christmas with my family. I'm gonna have to just spend it with my boyfriend, which I love. It's still like amazing to spend it with my boyfriend, but you know, I want to spend it with my parents and my sister, and like, you know, so I'm gonna keep you guys posted and let you guys know what I do. But in these 14 days, if I have to stay here, what it does is at least it gives me time to like film and edit, because guys, I'm telling you, I have been super busy with my 3 jobs, well, 4 jobs technically, super busy. So at least this gives me time to kind of, you know, sit back, talk to you guys, film videos for you guys. I have tons of ideas that I want to do, so stay tuned for that. And next time I come back on here, I will be telling you guys what's happening, what my results are. So talk to you soon. All right, so it has been a few days now, and I can't believe I'm even saying this right now. Like, I never thought these words would come out of my mouth. I tested positive, so that means I'm positive for the C word. I don't want to say it on here because I don't know if my video is going to get flagged for me saying the word, because you know, on Instagram it gets flagged and stuff like that, so I'm thinking maybe YouTube will. So we'll call it the C word. But yes, I just found out yesterday that my test was positive. So guys, when I tell you, I was freaking out. Like, I was freaking out yesterday because you never think that something like this is gonna happen to you. Like, this is a real thing, and like a lot of people are going through it, but like you never think it's gonna happen to you. So to get the results back that said positive, I was freaking out. I was like, oh my goodness. But you know, like, I came to terms with it, and I was like, honestly, like, I'm grateful that I don't have any symptoms. Like, I don't have anything. As I told you guys in the other clips, at the time I did have a runny nose and I was sneezing a lot. Those were literally the only symptoms I felt. I didn't have like a cough or a sore throat, nothing. I have been getting the cold really frequently. Like, maybe 3 times now I've had the cold, and I have made sure I gotten tested every single time. Like, I've probably gotten tested like more than 5 times in the last 2 months, because I'm very cautious when it comes to that. Like, especially being around like my parents, my sister, my boyfriend, like, you know, especially my parents, because my parents are older. I get super cautious about it. So I always make sure I get tested, especially because I do work in industries that I do deal with people a lot. For example, like the nightclub, my makeup jobs, like I do deal with people pretty closely. Of course, I'm always wearing a mask, but I do feel like I'm a little bit more at risk. So I always take those extra steps. And for it to come back positive, I was just like, no way, like no way. It has been so long that I've never gotten it. So I was like, why me? Especially during Christmas, I was like, oh my goodness. I'm gonna do another video for you guys to talk about my Christmas, as I call it, telling you guys exactly what happened and stuff. So a lot is happening right now. And like I said, I am in much better spirits because I am feeling like so much better. Like, guys, I feel absolutely nothing. Like, I don't even have a runny nose anymore. I'm not sneezing. Like, I literally feel nothing. But because my test did say positive, I have to obviously follow the protocols. So I am quarantining. I think it's for 14 days. I'm waiting to hear from, I think it's like the health board or something. They're supposed to get in contact with me and let me know what my exact instructions are. But what I do know is I have to quarantine for about 14 days, I believe. I just don't know if the 14 days start from the day I got the symptoms or from the day I got tested or from the day I got my results. I have no idea. But what I do know is your girl has a lot of time on her hands now. I am literally just at home, quarantining, just, you know, just relaxing kind of thing and just trying to make the most out of it. So I'm kind of just like on hold right now from work. I'm kind of just gonna be chilling at home. But yeah, like I said, guys, I'm feeling fine. I'm happy because I know that there's a lot of people that have like really bad symptoms and they get really sick. They end up in the hospital, and my heart goes out for all of those people because I already know just hearing that you're positive is already like so alarming. So like to feel all these symptoms, I'm sure is like so scary. But like I said, I literally feel fine. Like right now, your girl's feeling good. Like I'm feeling absolutely nothing. So I'm just hoping that, you know, these days pass by faster because I need to get back out there. I need to get back out there. I need to, you know, go out there, do my thing, sell bottles, do what I do best, to go sell makeup, all of that stuff. So that's literally what I am up to. I just wanted to give you guys the little rundown and let you guys know. So if you guys are interested in my next video or in my journey of what's gonna be happening, please keep on watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.